Welcome to the Truvius Product Learning Series. In this video on our Smart Beta portfolios, we'll go over the 3 types of Truvius portfolios and how Smart Beta fits in with them. We'll recap our market portfolios and show why they matter for understanding Smart Beta. And then we'll dive into how our Smart Beta portfolios work. After which, we'll cover considerations to determine if our Smart Beta portfolios are the right digital investing solution for you. By the end of this video, you should come away with an improved understanding of the differences between passive and active investing options, and learn about how Truvius uses certain crypto fundamentals to systematically manage active digital asset portfolios. We'll start with a quick product overview. At Truvius, we offer 3 types of portfolios that range from more passive to more active solutions, all of which have their own learning video within the Truvius Product Learning Series. When you invest in any of these products, our platform handles your entire investment experience automatically, meaning you never have to worry about setting up complicated crypto wallets or performing your own trading. You'll get all of that right here at Truvius. We cover the benefits of our platform in a separate video, or you can sign up today to see them firsthand. For now, we'll dive back into Smart Beta portfolios. But in order to discuss Smart Beta portfolios, we need to first understand market portfolios, as they play a critical role for Smart Beta. Market portfolios represent our most passive investment solution, and they typically represent a broad portfolio of crypto assets weighted by each asset's respective market capitalization, just like you'd see for other common investment products for asset classes like stocks and bonds. At Truvius, we take an institutional approach to portfolio construction. Instead of picking individual crypto tokens for your portfolio, we set strategic allocations to underlying crypto-specific indices that are mostly created and maintained by Truvius. This means we use indices as a way of representing which segments of the markets we want exposure to, and we use portfolios as a tool to dial up or down how much we want to allocate to those segments. In today's video, we'll use the Truvius multi-sector market portfolio as an example of how market portfolios work. Our multi-sector portfolio is named that way because it represents a passive investment in 20 to 30 crypto assets that collectively span 5 sectors. To get this exposure, we strategically allocate the portfolio to 5 different sector-specific indices. The purpose of this portfolio is to capture broad, automated exposure to the overall crypto market. We've covered how market portfolios work as a passive investment solution for certain investors, but they also play another important role at Truvius. Not only are market portfolios a product option, but they also serve as the benchmark for the Smart Beta and Alpha versions of the portfolio. This means our actively managed Smart Beta and Alpha versions of the portfolio seek to outperform the corresponding market portfolio. But how does this work? This brings us to our Smart Beta deep dive. Let's jump in. Smart Beta shares portfolio construction commonalities with market portfolios. They are both strategically allocated to the same 5 sector-specific crypto indices. They both hold the same 20 to 30 crypto assets. But those assets are not just passively held proportional to their market capitalizations. This last difference is the key distinction between the market and Smart Beta versions of a Truvius portfolio, and leads us to ask, if it's not a purely passive portfolio, what exactly is Smart Beta? We'll start with the answer and subsequently step through a detailed example. Smart Beta combines the intuitive simplicity of passive investing with some of the advantages of active investing. Smart Beta seeks targeted exposure to certain investment themes. When we say investment themes, we mean certain types of crypto fundamentals that we think represent the relative strengths and weaknesses of each crypto asset. Using these themes, we mechanically tilt the portfolio toward assets we consider stronger and away from assets we consider weaker. This leads to an important question. Why would an investor want this for their portfolio? Instead of simply investing in the overall crypto market with a purely passive portfolio, Smart Beta portfolios use crypto-specific economic fundamentals with the goal of outperforming market portfolios. Let's dive a bit further into how this systematic process works. Instead of investing passively in the market, Smart Beta portfolios dynamically allocate more weight or less weight to the assets in your portfolio based on how well they are currently scoring on crypto-specific fundamental metrics. Another term for this type of investing is called systematic active management. Systematic active management can be particularly powerful because it is implemented according to a computerized, rules-based process, which is exactly what we do at Truvius. Using a rules-based investment approach, our systematic process automatically overweights assets that exhibit stronger fundamentals and actively underweights assets with weaker fundamentals. Let's step through an example. Here we see how an illustrative hypothetical crypto portfolio is allocated. The gray bars represent a passive portfolio's allocations, and the green bars represent a smart beta portfolio's allocations. In this example, 50% of the passive portfolio is allocated to Bitcoin, 25% to Ethereum, and so on. But notice the smart beta portfolio holds more Bitcoin and more of crypto asset 3 compared to the passive portfolio. This indicates that the smart beta portfolio wants to actively invest more of the portfolio in these two crypto assets because they are exhibiting stronger fundamentals. Conversely, the smart beta portfolio holds less Ethereum and less of crypto asset 4 compared to the passive portfolio. This indicates that the smart beta portfolio wants to actively allocate less of the portfolio to these assets because they are exhibiting weaker fundamentals. So, what are the types of fundamental data we incorporate into our smart beta portfolios? Certain examples include trading-related trends observed in markets, including price momentum and liquidity activity. Other examples include novel types of blockchain-specific fundamentals that Truvius has identified and continues to add through our expert-led research process. When evaluating whether smart beta is the right investment approach for you, there are several other important considerations investors should take into account for an actively managed approach, including smart beta portfolios may exhibit periods of underperformance versus market portfolios, potentially for extended periods of time. At Truvius, our actively managed portfolios systematically allocate more weight to assets favored by our models, which may not coincide with assets favored by the market and thus lead to periods of reduced returns compared to the portfolio's benchmark. Actively managed products may also result in higher overall portfolio volatility compared to a passive investment. As such, smart beta portfolios are best suited for investors who are comfortable with the potentially elevated risk-return profile of this offering compared to our market portfolios. Let's recap today. We covered the 3 types of Truvius portfolio offerings to get you institution-quality exposure to crypto. We recapped market portfolios' dual role as both their own investment product and as the benchmark for smart beta portfolios. And we stepped through the what, why, and how of Truvius smart beta portfolios, as well as the key considerations when determining whether they are right for you. Thanks for learning with us today. Be sure to check out the other videos in our Truvius Product Learning Series and sign up to start your crypto investing experience for the long run today.